What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today's video, we're gonna be putting on a nice little mod, cheap, easy mod for you guys. Super excited about this one. Actually been looking forward to putting this one on, so we're finally gonna do it today. But first things first, we're gonna go ahead and give my car a car wash, and then I'll go ahead and show you guys the mod that we got. Alright guys, so we got the car all cleaned up now, so let's go ahead show you guys the mod that I'm talking about. So if we open this up real quick. Okay guys, so here is the mod. So as you guys could tell by the title of the video, it's the eyelids for the headlights. So it's a pretty easy mod, pretty simple. So I'm figuring we're gonna install it in like 5-10 minutes and then go take some pictures of it to show you guys what it looks like. So I'm really excited about this, so let's go ahead and get started. Alright guys, so here are the carbon fiber eyelids. It's actually really good quality. I'm really happy with it so far. It's pretty easy though. All you have to do is take off this 3M. So let's go ahead and do that real quick. Okay, so we got it on. And it actually looks really good. I'm actually really happy with that. It fits really nice. It's nice and sticky on there. It's really easy to do. That was so simple. And it looks way more aggressive now. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it or not? Okay, so here's the difference. So here's the one without it real quick. And then here's the one with it. What do you guys think? Does it look good? Without it. With it. It definitely gives it a little bit more of an aggressive look for sure. Okay, just like the other side, we just have to take off these 3M tape. There we go. So actually, I'm gonna open up the hood again. All right, what do you guys think? I actually really like it. For the price, for the budget of this mod, it actually does do a significant job of changing the look. Yeah, I'm actually digging that a lot. What do you guys think? Do you guys like it? Now we're gonna go to a spot to take some pictures. I got my GoPro set up, so I'm gonna do like a little bit of a GoPro taking pictures of the eyelids. So let's go ahead, head over to the park real quick. And now we're gonna switch from this camera to my GoPro. All right guys, so right now we're on our way to get some pictures done. I got my camera with me. All right guys, so today we are using the A7R II with the Sigma 35mm lens, 35 f1.4. So let's go ahead and get some pictures. sunset's nice right here. Yeah. Which one? The oh yeah, that one road. Need tints ASAP. On the way over here, it felt like something was like flying off of my car. Like it was like fluttering or something, you know? Oh,
without even any.
Yeah, dude, I'm trying to do the show off the carbon fiber eyelids.
Oh, I got you.
Yeah. I'm trying to show them off. I actually really like them. What do you think of them?
Yeah.
Definitely makes it like more aggressive for sure. I just need tints so bad, dude. I'm gonna get either 15% or 20%, like all around, except for like the front. I'm not gonna do the front. You want to hear how it sounds now with like the new tune?
Yeah, where do you think you're going?
Like one big pop. I won't do it too much. I mean, it's up to you. You can do what you want.
Gotta get all the fancy stuff you got in there. Set it out the BMW logo.
Alright guys, so that is the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the little install of the carbon fiber eyelids and the photo shoot that we did afterwards. Let me know if you guys like that style of photo shoot where I put on the GoPro on my chest and record taking pictures. But yeah, also let me know what you guys thought of the carbon fiber eyelids. Would you guys rock those? If you like one, go ahead, check out the link down below. I'm gonna leave a link to it, so if you guys wanna cop one, you can. Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I will be posting some of these pictures that I took on there, and I post daily content on there as well, so definitely go check it out, guys. And without further ado, remember, stay safe, stay happy, and stay in that project car. I will catch you guys later.